Hi guys, we are doing a series of videos about obviously kitchen spraying. Are we good at kitchen spraying? We'd like to think so. We run the Kitchen Painting Network. Did quite a few kitchens last year. Have a look at their Instagram, their Facebook, their website. There's some really nice kitchens on there, to be fair. One of the ones that we want to talk about today is obviously previously painted. We find these to be a complete ball ache, if I'm honest. We have to sand back a lot further than we always anticipate. The previous paint is where the failing is going to be. We know our system, we know the primers, the top coats, we know the chemical linkage, we know how strong the actual adhesion levels are of obviously our primers. So we want to get back. Every time we've had a problem on a kitchen, when it's been done and finished, it's usually on the edges where it actually comes off before it's actually properly cured. It's usually the fact that our primer is really good. So if our primer comes off and the top coat comes off, we usually end up pulling what's actually on here. So we're finding that you need to go further. So if you're pricing a kitchen and it's previously painted, just put a bit extra time in there. You're going to be doing a lot more sanding than you actually anticipate. Give it a good clean, by all means, but you're going to have to be sanding the shit out of it, to be fair. I mean, this one has had a lot of sanding to get good and proper.